Hi there and welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to guide you through how to set up hotel amenities for your booking engine page. Let's get started. First, log into your Bookingjini channel manager. From the left-hand menu, select Setup. Now click on the tab labeled Amenities. Once you're there, look for the Add button in the top right corner and click on it. You can now select and add amenities categorized as Front Office, Services, Facility, F&B, and so on. Once you've selected the amenities you offer, click Save to apply them. And that's it. You've successfully added amenities to your booking engine page. These will now appear automatically during the guest booking process. If you run into any issues, feel free to reach out to us using the contact details provided. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and check out our other videos for more quick tips. Thank you for watching.